Ezekiel 28. Ngezekiel olosichazela yona ngale kujulile. Ezekiel 28 from verses 11. Ezekiel 28 from verses 11. Ezekiel 28 from verses 11. Siyawamukela labangena manje.
Hosi Xikwembu xi vulavula na mina xi ku, wena munhu, suma risimu ra xirilo u rila hosi ya le Tire.
Yes.
N'wi byele leswaku mina hosi n'wini wa hinkwaswo ndzi ni rito eka yena leri nge, khale a wu fana ni mfungo lowu endliweke hi vukheta.
Yes.
A wu tlharihile. Vumbhuri bya wena a byi hetisekile.
Hey, ngosiyami.
A wu tshama entangeni wa mina wa le Edeni.
Yes.
U sasekisiwile hi maribye ya nkoka ya tinxakanxaka yo fana ni sadiyo, ni topazi, ni diamond, ni berila, ni onikisi, ni yaspere. Hey, swiangarhelo swa maribye lawa a swi ri swa nsuku lowu furiweke, swi lulamisiwile siku u tumbuluxiweke.
So bukelani bazalana, ngifuna kuchaza nje Lucifer. Now angithi sikhuluma ngale ndzaba le. Now Lucifer ke i-creation yakhe, this is why he was the only anointed. Chera ngalo magama beka igilosi lenjani lebeyigotshiwe. Igotshelwe ini ke? Igotshelwe one to govern. It's very important to do what? To govern. Kuthi abe ngumholi. This is why listen, son of what? Of the morning stars. And ngale sifunze khona. Listen, you were the son of the morning stars. What? Listen, babe minister. Angifunda lokuyikhotha kapha. Lenzaba interesting lena it's. Oh, Lucifer, son of the morning stars. Yes, son of the morning stars. Yes. And now, yes, Isaiah 14, son of the morning stars. Now, in creation here, he was created. In the throne of God. Music, music, Lucifer, they were prepared in his body. Onke lama precious stones la akhulume ngawo bamarithwe nafunza manje Jasper ngibandawonye ma precious stone, let me just check here, topaz, sadi, diamond, all these precious stones kulo chapter 28 wa Ezekiel from verses 11. Now they were prepared in him. So umtimba wakho bekasinanyakade nje i-movement leyo and they keep thousands, billions of sounds coming out. Orchestra. Nasikhuluma orchestra sikhuluma ukuthi kuna more than 20 or 50 pieces of sounds. Angithi manje kune organ, kune bass guitar, kune lead guitar, kune inlo, kuma violin, ma viola, you can name it. Kuna close to 50 abantu la baphethe different instruments. Ngilokusipita uthi orchestra. Na bahleli la bayadlala bonke at once. Yena kuye. Just the movement day one. Beyikhipha onke lama sounds lamnanzi in one person. So bebasina bambuka ngaleso sikhathi noma lesikhathi lesikhathi leso. Let me just send the angels by the time. But it's not imbuka. This is why now funza, let's say you were perfect in beauty. You were the seal of perfection. Verse 11. You were a seal of perfection. Compared to you were a seal of perfection. Now look, a seal of perfection. Look, marimpumla yakhe khudlwana ngithi yabona ngulo ngasho ukuthi hayi muhle marimpumla yabona sikhuluma ukuthi he is the seal of perfection. Akunaliphutha, there is no mistake. nakuthiwa something is perfect. Uma uNkulunkulu ambuka uyaneliseka.